Dave and I recently decided to explore another park on our snowshoes. This time we chose Greenwood Park, which is in Lisle, New York. It is a part of the Broome County Parks and Recreation System. Greenwood Park is the first and oldest park, opening in 1964. Greenwood is open year-round. They have a 6.5-mile nature trail system, and 6 miles of that are groomed in the winter season for cross-country skiing and snowshoeing. You can rent equipment, or if you have your own, then there is just a $5 fee per person for trail use. They also have porta potties available. The trails are well marked, and even as beginner snowshoers, we were able to traverse even those that were marked most difficult. Greenwood Park has something for everyone, no matter the season. We do apologize for the black images in the corners of this video. Our camera seems to have been tilted down and recorded Dave's hands on his trekking poles. We'll try to do better the next time. Greenwood Park does offer fishing, and it seems like the lake was frozen over and there were ice fishermen out on the lake. There's those hands again. Always be sure to stop and take a moment to enjoy the nature around you, and certainly take a picture. It appears that we have collected some water spots on our camera lens. We do apologize for that. The winter months get long in our neck of the woods. We have two choices. We can sit inside and look out the window and hope for an early spring, or we can bundle up and head outside and enjoy all that nature has to offer. We hope you have enjoyed this little slice of winter, and thank you for going snowshoeing with us.